Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 10th, and this is my morning analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, gold is definitely a little bit tricky. Yesterday at the tariff news, or right around the tariff news, we did go down and we did break structure. It looked like a pretty solid break of structure too, which would have probably turned me into a seller expecting this. But when in reality, what happened is it just ended up continuing back up. Now, to me, it still kind of looks like it could be either a wave B or a wave two. It still looks like it could be a wave A or a wave one, and it still looks like it could do like a double top break of structure and continue the downtrend for a wave C or a wave 3. The big problem with gold in that analysis is that we are definitely in an uptrend on the monthly, a strong uptrend on the weekly, strong uptrend on the daily, strong move up on the 4 hour, strong move up on the 1 hour. So if we come down to these sort of time frames and we come up with a reason to think that it's going to go down in a very big way, then we are fighting every single trend from the monthly all the way down to the 1 hour. What does that mean to me? That means that in reality, it's probably not, unlikely that it could just keep on going up. So what I would do is if I would be waiting for like a double top and a break of structure, if I saw a double top break of structure, that would at least give me a little more evidence that it really is a wave B or a wave two, and we really are going down for either a big wave C or a big wave three. So definitely keep an eye on your structure, especially at Fibonacci levels, to see if you get a counter trend break. If you do, then it probably would make for a pretty nice entry to the short side. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.